Did you know that some birds do not raise their own babies? They secretly lay their eggs in other birds' nests. So, friends, today we will learn about 5 amazing birds that put their eggs in other birds' nests. This fascinating behavior is called brood parasitism. Brood parasite birds. Simple definition: brood parasite birds are birds that do not raise their own babies, instead, they lay their egg in other birds' nests and let those birds take care of their young ones. Hello, friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Smart Educational Hub. Cuckoo. The cuckoo is the most famous bird for this. It lays its eggs in another bird's nest. The other bird then takes care of the baby. The cuckoo is one of the most famous birds in the world. It does not build its own nest. Instead, the female cuckoo secretly lays her egg in another bird's nest. The other bird thinks the egg is its own and take care of it. When the cuckoo chick hatches, it often grows very quickly and gets most of the food from its foster parents. This clever way helps the cuckoo save time and energy. When the nest owner is away, she quickly lays an egg and flies off. The cuckoo's egg often looks very similar to the eggs already in the nest, making it difficult for the host bird to notice the difference. The host bird then keeps the egg warm and later feeds the cuckoo chick after it hatches. This amazing behavior is called brood parasitism. By letting other birds raise its young ones, the cuckoo can spend more time finding food and laying more eggs. It is one of the nature's most fascinating survival strategies. Its clever nesting strategy has made it one of the most interesting and widely studied birds in the world. The brown-headed cowbird is a small bird found in North America. It does not build its own nest. Instead, the female lays her eggs in the nest of other birds and leaves them to be raised by the host parents. After the egg hatches, the foster parents feed and care for the young cowbird as if it were their own baby. This clever behavior helps the cowbird save time and energy because it doesn't have to build a nest or raise its chicks. The brown-headed cowbird is one of the most successful brood parasites in the bird world. A female cowbird can lay eggs in many different nests during one breeding season. The honey guide is a fascinating bird found in Africa. It is famous for leading people and animals to beehives, which is how it got its name. After the hive is opened, the honey guide feeds on the leftover wax and insects. Like the cuckoo and cowbird, the honey guide does not raise its own chicks. The female lays her eggs in the nest of other birds and lets the host parents care for the young ones. This behavior is called brood parasitism. Honey guides are intelligent birds with a unique relationship with humans. Their unusual nesting habits and ability to find beehives make them one of the most interesting birds in the world. The honey guide has a sharp sense of direction and is very good at finding beehives hidden in trees. It uses special calls to attract attention and guide others to the hive. Once the honey is collected, the bird enjoys feeding on the remaining wax, which very few birds can digest. Its unusual habits make it one of the most fascinating birds in nature. It often lives in forests, woodlands, and grasslands across Africa. Scientists have studied this bird for many years because of its remarkable behavior. Its ability to work with humans and its unusual nesting habits make it one of the most extraordinary birds in the animal kingdom. The honeybird shows how clever and adaptable birds can be. Its unique habits make it one of the most amazing birds found in the nature. The black-headed duck is a unique water bird found in South America. Unlike most ducks, it does not build its own nest. Instead, the female lays her eggs in the nest of other water birds, such as scoots and gulls. The host birds keep the eggs warm until they hatch. However, once the ducklings hatch, they are able to take care of themselves and find food without much help from their foster parents. This unusual nesting behavior makes the black-headed duck one of the most interesting birds in the world. It is a great example of how different animals adopt to survive in nature. The black-headed duck lives in lakes, marshes, and wetlands. It is an excellent swimmer and spends much of its time in the water. Its ducklings are born well developed and can leave the nest soon after hatching. This amazing ability helps them survive and thrive in their natural habitat. The black-headed duck has dark feathers and a distinctive black head, which gives it its name. It is rarely seen outside South America. Scientists find this bird especially interesting because, unlike many other brood parasites, its chicks do not depend heavily on their foster parents after hatching. Its unusual lifestyle makes it a remarkable bird to study. The greater honey guide is a remarkable bird found in Africa. It is best known for guiding people and animals to wild beehives. After the hive is opened, the bird feeds on beeswax, honeycomb, and insects left behind. Like other honey guides, it doesn't build its own nest. Instead, the female lays her eggs in the nest of other birds and lets the host parents raise the chicks. This behavior is called brood parasitism. The greater honey guide lives in forests, woodlands, and savannas. It has a sharp sense of direction and is very skilled at locating hidden beehives. Its intelligence and unique relationship with humans make it one of the most fascinating birds in the world. The greater honey guide is one of the few birds known to cooperate with humans in finding food. Its unusual behavior and clever survival strategies make it truly unique in the bird world. Nature is full of surprises. Which of these birds surprised you the most? Tell me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and interesting facts. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.